So we are starting the implant section from the groundbreaking implants back to 2009 when Anterior was launched. So taking a look at this fat guy, what are the indications for the big implants? So the best indication how to overcome the contraindication for immediate in the molars is to use wide implant. And finally, to finalize with anatomical healing abutment, which helps to have better emergence profile and helps to prevent epithelial migration in order to prevent the bone loss. Following to the next implant, which is changing the concept of MegaGen, it's Blue Diamond, which is new from 2018. So what are the indications for Blue Diamond? It's very simple. Blue Diamond is made for the dentist who wants to achieve the predictability. Also, the best product regarding the prosthetics, what MegaGen launched just now, is the AXA abutment. AXA abutment has several unique selling points. The first one is that the angulations that we have here is straight 11 degrees, 22 and 30 degrees. Then the good thing is that we can avoid titanium base and go straight to the zirconia, which gives us the strength of the framework because we are skipping the part of the titanium, and we do have more zirconia for our prosthetics. Third good thing is the screw, because we can torque the multi-unit abutment screw up to 37 Newton centimeters. So you can press the gingiva, you can settle down the restoration without any fractures of the screws, of the abutments or whatsoever. So once again, MegaGen find the solutions how to help every average Joe of dentists who are having problems with multi-unit abutments. Third product is the Blue Diamond Cuff. So what's good thing about Blue Diamond Cuff? Blue Diamond Cuff basically is the same as Ari implant. It's just shorter. Just because it's shorter, we can use this for the posterior region. Let's assume that we have the severe bone loss, right? So, and today a lot of speakers are talking about how to do guided bone regeneration, how to do bone blocks and etc. But everybody knows, and following the literature, that all the bone blocks, all the guided bone regeneration has the complication rates. So what MegaGen is trying to provide, simple solutions for daily dentistry. So how we can avoid GBR is just to use this. That's it. Let's go. And the final product of today from the implant section is the Ari implant. So the good thing about Ari implant is it helps you to maintain the aesthetic, at the same time helps you to avoid the massive bone regeneration or reconstructions in the anterior zone. We simply placing the implant in the basal bone, getting good primary stability, whereas at the same time we are keeping the connection of the implant and abutment interface at the crest level. So all the micro movements and everything is going to stay above the crest, and that's how we're avoiding periimplantitis, right? And finally, regarding same Ari implant, we can use the same AXA abutment, and in the anterior zone we can get good primary stability from the Ari implant, then use AXA abutment and to connect everything with one platform with the BDC plus AXA. So that's because MegaGen is always trying to find the best solutions, not only for the surgeons, but also from the prosthodontists, to minimize the complications and to maximize the efficiency in the lab. Let's go. So now we're going to meet the most handsome guy in MegaGen, and we're going to ask him what's so special about the N3 chair and why people consider this chair as the first-class chair. So Danny?
I proudly introduced Unichair N3. It features European design and ergonomic structure, and also ensure excellent hygiene with UVC sterilization and the world's first heated and ventilated seat. So it provides comparable treatment environment for patients. You can experience it soon for yourself. Thank you.
So, back in January of 2025, MegaGen shocked the dental community with an acquisition of the BioLace. So now we're going to meet Mr. Lim, who is going to shortly introduce how BioLace works, what are the features, what are the benefits, and how every dentist, not only implantologist, can benefit from cooperation with MegaGen.
My name is Jongwan Lim. Last year, MegaGen implanted by BioLace. Now we have supporting three types. One is diode, one is the two water laser only for the endodontist, and this is the whole all supporting dental area. It's more useful to the treatment. Usually we are using the lidocaine, the injection, but this equipment cannot need lidocaine. Now we focusing quality improvement. Trunk fiber and handpiece, step by step increase the quality. Maybe for your useful equipment. We are full support to you, and every day, every time, we don't stop innovation. Thank you.
So I just met one of the smartest person or the dentist in Hungary, Dr. Tomasz Paoros, and he's going to explain very in short about Artoy 3 because he was one of the first users who start using it for already 1 year. So Thomas?
Until last year, I made this R2 scanner, I think in Rome, and we just tried it, and it was too simple to use, and I didn't understand, so why not? I'm an R2Gate user, I bought it, and the user experience is unbelievable. The recapture times and how it works, how it flawlessly goes through the mouth, almost a single shot, so it was a very good investment. So yeah, I just can recommend it. If you're an R2Gate user and you want a flawless experience, just R2Gate, buy the scanner. It's a good thing. Thank you.
Now we're going to meet the living legend. This is Samuel, and he's going to talk about our new product, new device, which is helping every dental business or every dentist in general. Please, Samuel.
Hello, my name is Samuel. This is actually R2 Near Levy system. In the real time, you can exactly see where your drill positioned within patient mouth, patient bone. And within 30 minutes, you can prepare the surgery.
So in this chapter, Samuel is going to explain what is the QVD, what is the R2 Studio, how everything is creating the concept, and once again, how it helps the dentist to find the solutions. Sam?
Yeah, with this machine, you can get all information for dental avatar, and through the AI, you can easy to determine 5 things for the full mouth rehabilitation: anterior teeth position, midline, smile line, ideal vertical dimension, and occlusal plan. All of this, you don't need any device for full mouth rehabilitation. And this is a MegaGen digital full mouth solution.
And R2 Studio Q doesn't only become like a product, but it becomes a marketing tool for you to introduce your clinic and to outstand your clinic from your competitors. So thank you again.
Thank you.
And see you soon.